YouTube. It's your boy Amari, bro. Hey, my boy Top drop. Top, we about to do all the glazing, bro. All the glazing. No cap. Slime Cry Utah vlog, bro. Let go. 500K one day. Come on. Come on, Top. Come on. Like the way he pulling, bro. That joint so tough, bro. So tough. Okay, don't nuke me with that song. He driving around like Bruce Wayne. He driving around like Bruce Wayne. Oh my goodness. This is Black Bruce Wayne, chat. This is Black Bruce Wayne. Come on.
That must be the little low mo he was talking about.
He driving over the curb?
It's something we got to do. He was just doing that when he did the shit on the video.
They say high and low on back.
I ain't seen one of those in so long. The way he like touching the remote control, bro, so tough. Oh my goodness.
Now, that's what it was. He did the same thing.
Whoa! Ooh, oh, I thought that was a helicopter. That joint's so far. Is that Rich right there? So tough. Him and his security guard, so tough, bro. They playing with remote helicopters, gang. RC helicopters, bro. That's too tough. Oh, damn. Don't crash out, King. Oh man.
Oh no. That didn't last long.
The convoy is down.
Dang, the way he's like there with Jazz playing with remote controls is just so tough. Let me chill.
I'm finna go on Hobby Lobby and I'm finna go on Vortex. I'm finna order the most coolest one.
Talk to me, Top.
You saw they sitting getting real tired of Chris. Well, they turn their back on, but still be showing love. B.I.G. They got some sign on church. I'm sorry.
Ew, Lucky Charms, Top. Top, don't tell me you eat Lucky Charms. No, Top. No, Lucky Charms nasty. No, Top. You're supposed to be eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch as a grown man.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Hey.
YoungBoy's in the house.
Everybody know my boy.
What's up, buddy? What's your name, huh? Hey, I'm
Hey. That's for you, bro.
You better know it's all day, brother.
Yeah.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Thanks, bro. Would you mind taking a pic, bro?
Yeah.
Where you going? You walk here?
Yeah, I just live on the corner behind us, bro. Hey, lonely child, bro. That shit clean, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much.
Sure, man.
Appreciate you.
You just say lonely child, that shit clean. Hey, he's right. I don't know about clean though, but that's a good song. Good song.
What you got? What you got? Don't you got check out?
I got the red idea, but
Red, chill.
problem with you. I'll take it.
So much aura. Oh, this one they was filming oh. This one they was filming what you call it? Boss Man D-Lo. I didn't know that. I didn't even see dumping that video, bro. He bugging. I'm bugging. Okay. That boy too fresh.
See that one, I made it straight from Bootboy, man. Precious shit.
It's that rich country boy fit, man.
What you want to know how you feel? Yeah, for that slime cracker.
How are you doing tonight? Are you having fun? What is this? You can have this. Look at your picture.
Santa, bro, do you know who's in front of you, Santa? Santa. Look, Santa, bro, you don't know you standing in front of the greatest of all time, bro. Like, come on, Santa, bro. Look how he looking at Santa. He about to slime Santa out because Santa ain't recognized the GOAT, bro. Like, come on. Nah, Santa wanted Top to sit on his lap, bro. I seen that. Y'all seen how Santa looking at him? Santa want Top to sit on his lap, which is fine. It's Top, so it's okay. But no other grown man. But YB can sit on your lap, Santa. It's cool. It's cool.
You guys? Would you like some? Get everyone up here.
He love that green.
For sure, my dude.
So much aura. Huh? She just touched the GOAT like that, bro. Only Jasmine can touch the GOAT like that. I'm in jazz.
Double up, hands made by man, 30, made by man, 60. I got these chicks, it's on me, all that cash. I put a knife on egg.
We're playing Temple Run in the back. What is that? Oh, that's a song. It's bugging. Shit sound like a mobile game. If the green shit in the front, that's fire.
Yeah, he said we're going five. He said that? One more. This deal is a lot cheaper than some of you talking about.
With the slime, the slime and team. So tough. I ain't gonna lie. So he's at this restaurant, right? The way he's ordering is just so tough. Oh my goodness. You cannot order tougher than this, bro. Look how he pointed at last chance. So tough. I wish I can order like YB. Hold on, this nigga got like 13 kids and he's like a good dad. Like, that's how you know he's rich, bro. How you got 13 kids and you're a good dad? Like, you feel me? You gotta be rich to have 13 kids to be a good dad. If you got 13 kids and you're just like, you popped, bro, you can't be no good dad. You can't. Cause you ain't gonna really have no way to really see all them for real. He can see all them, I think. For real though, who you know got 13 kids and is a good dad? I'll wait. Can't answer. So tough. Yeah, he the only black person in Utah.
Mo, I just told you, you can't the police. The police, Mo. They tripping.
I want to come in car.
They tripping. You see the police?
I could be a car.
No top. You can't go back into the back of one of those, bro.
Mo, you gotta go with mommy. Come on.
We have a
That's it. I seen it. WV, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. That's my, you feel me, bro? That's for top, bro. Like, comment, subscribe for top, bro. You see? Like he said, the side, they don't want you to see a YB, bro. I read that so wrong. But, that was the basic of it. But, yeah, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I'm not even subscribed to LLC. Now I am. But, bro, y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. You feel me? Just tell me what y'all want to see next, bro. I ain't gonna cap. And, yeah. Chill.